What's up, everybody? It's Uncle Mad. We are here in the kitchen today launching a brand new series of videos that we're going to be doing here on the vlog. Shout out to Aunt Jesta. This series was her brainchild. Shout out to, there's probably other YouTubers who've already done this one too, but I don't care. We're doing it our way. A while back, we acquired the Bob's Burgers cookbook, which has a variety of the pun-based burgers that are usually listed as the special of the day on the whiteboard at Bob's restaurant. It just made sense. We love the TV show Bob's Burgers. We love eating burgers. And then it's just sat on the shelf for a while. We haven't actually done anything with it. And then, genius that she is, Aunt Jesta finally said, why don't we do this and why don't you vlog it? So she went through, she highlighted the ones she wants us to try. But we got to start with the original Bob's first ever burger that he ever cooked on, not ever cooked on the show, but the first burger in continuity, in canon, that he cooked before he took over the restaurant, the Baby You Can Chive My Car. That's what we're working with today. We're gonna get to cooking. Oli's my sous chef here today. He's probably gonna be useless, but looks pretty easy and it sounds pretty good. Quick note, a couple years ago, Halloween, me and Jesta did Bob's Burgers as costumes. I was Bob, she was Luis. A little bit weird being father-daughter when you're husband-wife combination for Halloween, but that's what we did. We do things our way. So we're gonna do the YouTube series of Bob's Burgers, cooked at home our way. Here's a picture. Some food. Oli, I need my mixing bowl, an egg, and a cup of flour. All right, here's a look at the recipe for the Baby You Can Chive My Car. There is all the ingredients you'll need in case you want to try this at home to be just like us and to be just like Bob. Looks like we're gonna start off by making the pickles, then we make the burger. Yep, pickles, little fried pickles. They form the wheels on the Baby You Can Chive My Car because it's a car. You see it's a pun. This is how we're going. There you got the young Bob, pre-mustache, pre-bald spot, making his first specialty custom burger. Once we have those pickles ready, we'll jump right into making the actual burgers. This all looks pretty simple and straightforward, so let's see exactly how I'm gonna find a way to mess it up. Okay, so for the fried pickles, pretty straightforward process. Basic fried, egg wash, nice little batter here. It's all-purpose flour, Cajun seasoning, and salt. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Just gonna toss them up real good. Get these bad boys ready, and then we'll be frying them up in no time. All right, let's see how we go here. Ooh, yeah, it's the ticket. Alright, so while these are frying, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting everything in the pan. We're going to jump over here and prep everything else. The burger patties, the sour cream dressing. Let's fry some more pickles. Ooh-wee. Yes. Sauce is going to be really simple. Chopped chives, that's where it gets its name. Chives. Got a half a cup of sour cream. Actually, I'm going to put a tad bit more in there. A little bit of Dijon mustard. Stir that all up, and we are good to go. Burger patties, pretty straightforward. Just going to mix the feta and the beef together, and then we're going to form them into patties. Alright, maybe it's a cheat code, but I love this thing. This has made grilling burgers so much easier for forming patties. So, if you want to be a cheater like me, get this. This vlog sponsored by Cuisinart. Right, we are into the home stretch now. The burgers cooking up in the pan. This little plain Jane lame one is for Sissy. She didn't want to try the baby you can try my car. There's the other ones that are made the proper way. Fried pickles over here waiting to be utilized, as is the chive sauce and some nice toasted buns. I'm also whipping up some air fried fries because you can't have burgers without fries. And here is the final product of the baby you can chive my cars. Not too bad, if I do say so myself. All that's left to do is to taste it. Alright. Now to actually eat it, I'm gonna throw the pickles on the burger, not just leave them on the side. I think that makes more sense, right? Alright. There she is. Bone apple teas. That's a good burger. Good job, Matt. Good job, Bob.
Holy tacky.
I also know I have your ex's vote, so
That's an episode you should
but
watch.
I am worried that people are starting to catch glimpses
Bone apple teas.
how I process information and how analytical I can be.
It's so funny, Parker says it now.
I don't want all eyes to be on you.
I've taught him the best. Jester, what do you think of the burgers?
They're really good. The first time I heard this on Bob's Burgers, it was like the first burger that he made that I really was like, I want that burger. And it's really good.
Well, it's his first ever specialty burger that he made when he was a small little Bob. Now it's our first burger in the Bob's Burgers Bake Off. I'll work on that. Sissy, how's your plain burger that's just a hunk of meat cooked?
Perfect. As always.
There's more of the sauce if you want it.
I didn't take any sauce.
You can get some so you're not just eating a random piece of meat like a prisoner in a jail. We have nice things here. We don't have to eat like savages.
It's got a point.
Well,
Like my burger. It's like when you eat your sad tortilla.
oh my gosh. Yeah, Sissy also just kind of walks around sometimes eating tortillas with nothing on them. Just pulling the strips of the tortilla off and just...
I love them.
Didn't know this was going to be the weird Sissy diet episode, but that's it. I'm going to eat, and we're going to watch Big Brother. On Big